There was a subsistence arrest warrant.
Yes.
Has that been set aside? Tell us the latest development.
No, please. The court, as you all are aware of, made an order while I was absent last week that my bail is revoked and an arrest or bench warrant is issued towards me. I got a new set of lawyers today, as I promised the court last time, and they are going to represent us. But the court was told by the prosecutors that they must insist on sending me to Kuje prison until Wednesday. But guess what? I'm prepared. I brought my prison bag with me today, and I told the judge, who said he can't recuse himself, that when they are ready, I'm outside. Nobody should be surprised. I have predicted before now that all these things are going to happen. But they are happening for a good reason. And the reason is that somebody must make the sacrifice that will liberate this country. Kwame Nkrumah was sent to prison for insulting colonial masters in Ghana. The day he came out of prison was the day he became the president of the Federal Republic of Ghana. I am going to prison to keep mobilizing our people so that this country can be liberated. I have no doubt that the end of the evil regime has come.
Absolutely.
I have no doubt that the Nigerian people deserve my sacrifice. I have no doubt that if we don't do this now, we'll have to do it another time. This is a sacrifice I started making since I was a university student at the age of 18. And I'm now 56. I'm still going to prison on behalf of my country and my country's people. And I feel privileged that I'm the one who has stood the test of time against the impunities of our leaders. Some of them pretended that they were Democrats in 1992. 2026, we discovered that they are monsters. And I'm referring to Tinubu. And I am insisting once again, because I was brought here by Muhammadu Buhari in 2019. And I said then, and I repeat today, nobody can defeat the revolution. And shame, sorrow, tears will visit the families or the people who do injustice to people who are out to fight for social justice.
Absolutely. Okay, sure.
And that has happened to Buhari, it has happened to Malami, it has happened to the Erufiles of this world, and it will happen to Tinubu, it will happen to Tosin Ajayi, who is the DG of DSS. They will end up in ignominy. There's no question about it.
Exactly.
So I stand ready. I did not even try to appeal to the judge to reconsider it. I want to go to prison, but I will be out.
Absolutely.
And when I'm out, I will be stronger, more ferocious, and face these people headlong.
Absolutely.
That is my message to the Nigerian people. Thank you very much.
Tinubu must go.
Yes, Tinubu
must go.
Somebody else.
One more question.
Yeah.
Representatives.
Yes.
Can you furnish us with the name of the new representatives? And then you've had a long relationship with Masha.
Yes.
Tell us why you severed time.
No, Masha was humiliated by the judge. It was the person who was asked to come and kneel down. And that's the basis upon which I said he should recuse himself, because the lawyer said he can no longer come and be under the humiliation and the bias of this judge. That was the basis. Masha was in court today, but not representing. We have a new set of very competent legal hands. I have no doubt about that. And they will do a fantastic job. But nobody can do a better job in this case than the revolution. Nobody.
So, sir, from here now,
Yes.
where to from here now?
I'm waiting for the prison warders. I have my bag packed this morning. I've traveled around the country in the last few days, including my village. I knew this would happen. All these things we are seeing here have been planned. over time.
Yeah.
We are only lucky that we are ahead of them. Even if you read what happened yesterday in the newspaper, you see that they have already made up their mind to do this. But the important thing is, like I always tell you guys, don't cry for me in Nigeria. You should cry for a country that is at this stage still going through this kind of rubbish in the legal and judicial sector. Nothing more. Thank you very much. Yes, it's Adeyinka Olumide Pusika. Olumide Pusika is a compound name. SYMFONI. Yes. Thank you. Claiming that because we are gone past the sentence, there is no point at which a defendant will not ask the judge to increase his sentence. If you lose confidence, even on the day of judgment, you can ask the judge to increase his sentence and rest in judgment. It's for the lawyers to determine. I'm not here trying to go through the legal. I know that this case is going to collapse and that injustice will not pass. I know